Why one time my chiller start all of a sudden? Actually 90% of the time, it's a power supply issue there's a problem with. The incoming power, check if your main power supply has tripped or if electricity is even getting through. The other 10% of cases are due to a faulty touch screen or main board. See if the touch screen responds at all, or if any indicator lights are on the main board. When checking the main power supply, always call a professional electrician. It involves high voltage electricity, which is dangerous. Got more questions about industrial chillers? Follow us for answers.